All right, guys, here's some of the more of the GreenWorks equipment they have out, some of their new Optimus Z line. We demoed some of these. They're very nice. They've greatly improved the hydraulic or the feel of the steering in these. It does feel more like real hydraulics. It's not really touchy like mowers of the past, like our older Mean Green or the older GreenWorks generation. So the operation does feel a lot more like traditional gas hydraulics. These mowers, this might be the 32, but this thing is supposed to be, I think, $12,000 so $11,999. So priced pretty competitively as far as for an electric mower. I haven't used it. The warranty, I believe, is 5 years or 1,500 hours. I wish that was a lot longer warranty, because that's basically 3 years of use for what we do, but it is improving. It's 5 years or 1,500 hours, whichever comes first. But it looks pretty well thought out. This platform, I think, will hold 250 pounds. So if you want to haul some rocks or stuff like that, whatever you need to haul right there, it'll do that. It does look like they have a hitch system for accessories on the front, so that's pretty cool. It has this down lighting you see flashing that actually shines on the ground to make cutting at night easier if you're cutting at night. Like I said, most of us are never cutting at night, but if you are, there's your option. Nice, comfortable platform. You can actually flip these platforms up. I saw that yesterday, and walk behind it. And when you do that, it will automatically slow it down to 4 miles an hour. So you can use it for a walk behind if you're in that application and you're, maybe on a hill or something like that, and you want to do that. But pretty sleek design. Looks like a pretty big change from their previous generations. GreenWorks, I love that they innovate. That's one big thing I like about GreenWorks. They are innovating. They are coming out with this stuff ahead of other people. My big issue with GreenWorks is servicing that equipment. If I buy this machine, based on my experience, and it breaks down, I know that I'm going to be waiting, a month, 2 months, 3 months to get this thing repaired. So I think that's a big opportunity for GreenWorks to improve their service. Make sure that there's loaners available with their dealers or whatever, because whereas with their 25 and we would just buy a spare mower just in case the other one broke down. With this, it's not like I can buy another $13,000 mower for each crew to have sitting around at the shop just in case this thing breaks down, and I don't want to be waiting 2 months, 3 months to get it fixed or replaced. So, but very well thought out machines. Up to 7 acres, run time 5 hours, charge time only 3 hours, cutting speed 10 miles an hour. It's pretty fast. And here's the 36-inch version. So pretty cool. I think they go all the way up to 52 or 60, but they all have the similar features. I think the weight on this is, they weren't sure, but it's probably pretty heavy. It's probably 800 to 1,000 pounds, I had to guess.